Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through Runaway Bay, and we're actually going through Salem now, and then after Salem we'll enter Runaway Bay. A lot of persons think that Runaway Bay starts at this point, but this is actually Salem. And we're on the north coast of Jamaica. We're in the parish of St. Ann on the north coast, and Runaway Bay is a small town, mostly tourism. Has a lot of hotels and villas, and it's right on the coast, on the north coast, where you have all the beaches. And it actually has some of has some very large hotel chains. Hedonism used to be here. I think it's now Jewel. You have beaches, you have FDR. It's a very popular location. And we are actually on the northern coastal highway, which runs through Runaway Bay. And Runaway Bay is probably about a 25-minute, maybe 30-minute drive from Ocho Rios. Alright, so we're entering the Runaway Bay area now. Oh, actually, this is still Salem. But you don't really hear the word Salem. It's not very popular, or this area. Most people just refer to it as Runaway Bay because that's the more popular area because of the hotels. You have even have a golf course in Runaway Bay. You have a lot of beaches. I actually refer to the whole thing as Runaway Bay, but a subscriber actually pointed it out that Salem, you drive through Salem first and then you enter Runaway Bay after. So thanks to the subscriber for pointing it out, and I'm sure a lot of people just think of this entire area as Runaway Bay. But the hotels use the address Runaway Bay because it would be like beaches Runaway Bay, FDR Runaway Bay. You've never heard of a hotel being using Salem. As you can see on the left, you have a lot of restaurants and guest houses because basically this is a tourist area. Tourism is a major industry in Runaway Bay. Even though you have the large hotel chains, you also have a lot of small hotels, a lot of Airbnb rentals, villas. Because on the right is the beach. On the right is Flavor's Beach Bar and Entertainment. It's probably a public beach. If you turn left here now, you would go up to the Heart Hotel. That's where they train persons to work in the hotel industry. Okay, on the left is the Runaway Bay Garden. So we're in Runaway Bay now. And then coming up on the left now is the Runaway Bay Golf Course. on the right is the Beaches Hotel, and then further down we're going to pass the FDR Hotel. On the left you see a lot of houses, mostly those are the ones you use for the Airbnb rentals. I mean, you have residential persons live residential communities, but it's mostly guest houses, villas, Airbnb rentals, those kind of things. Alright, so we're now coming up to the town of Runaway Bay. So on the left now you have the Runaway Bay police station, the basic school. Now, some time ago there were videos going around on Runaway Bay being flooded because the drains were blocked. This is the area on the right. You can see the drains, those holes, and this is the part that was flooded out because the water couldn't run through the drains properly. Now on the left is plaza where you have a supermarket, and also a subscriber said to point out this bakery on the left where you see that yellow kind of topping on the roof. They said it's a very popular bakery where the food tastes really good. So we're just giving them a shout out. Okay, now we're driving out of Runaway Bay and you see a lot more villas. On the right, because that's the side that the beach is on, you see a lot of small hotels and villas. Okay, straight ahead now, that massive building that you're seeing coming into view, that's the Bahia Principal Hotel. There it is on the right. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.